Guys, welcome again to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you this spory.com platform. So the platform has been for a while now, and because of the new year activities that they are holding on their platform, so they are giving out free VIPs to people who are interested to work with them. So in this video I will be showing you how you can be able to get registered and make money online with this platform. So if you come to your home page here, you will see that there are list of offers available here. So and for free VIP you'll be getting order one, and daily earnings are $2 every day. So you'll be getting $2 every day as a free um as a free worker. So but for you to be able to maximize this offer, which is the giveaway of free VIPs to people who are interested to work with them. So simply get registered, and I'll show you step by step on how to carry out this event and participate and receive free VIPs and start earning money massively on this platform. So how do you get to work? So you work by completing order every day. So how do you work? How do you perform the order? First of all, you need to understand that there is this home boss task button. So what do you need to do here? You need to tap on this task every day, then you complete order 2 times. So if you complete 2 times order, you receive $2 by spinning. So you click on this button, it will rotate and give you your return profit. So that is how to complete order. Now how do you get to participate in this event? You make participation by referring your friends. Let them know about this platform, and it's very simple to do, guys. How do you get to refer them? By checking out by copying your referral link. So you need to copy your referral link here. So this is the option for referral link. So just click on share. So when you click on share, this place, you will see that there is a link down here. Just copy this out, or you can decide to purchase a VIP if you wish, because the platform is paying. But I recommend, most of this type of platform, I recommend people who want to participate to join and work harder. So if you work hard, you make free earnings. So there are tons of platforms like this where I have actually participated, and most of them are still paying till now. So that is why I always show you what I do online. So now, if you actually want to participate, just copy your referral link as I've shown you where to do that, and then perform your task, then share your link. So you can join my group, the group where I'll guide you on how to receive free VIP, because I have contacted the customer service, and she gave me the rundown guide on how to get it very quick. So a lot of people who have also recommended have got their free VIP, and they are earning already. So because of time, I've not been able to make this video to reach out to larger community, so that people can pick interest and start working on this platform. So that is how simple it is to participate in this event. Now you need to just share your link. You don't really need to create a group, but what you can do is to add. So I will drop the link to my group. Then when you join the group, you share the platform link, where you just add them to their WhatsApp, and you send your, for if you need promotional material, I will also provide for you. Then you send your details to her. She will give you free VIP. You don't really need to work hard or that. And on daily basis, I think VIP 1. So let's just extract their VIP plans. So okay. So guys, to extract their VIP plans, what you need to do is to come to this button and click on join now. So to tap on it, when you tap on join now, you will see the list of VIPs that are available, and you will see that for VIP 1, if you join, if you upgrade your account and become VIP 1, you will earn this 0.6, which is approximately $1.2 every day. And this plan for this plan, the offer for this plan is just $36, but you get it for free with just following this guide that I'm guiding you here. So you can also get this through invitation by working more harder, but I recommend, if you can be able to make referral and get this one, it will be nice, and you will earn for at least you can be able to make a lot of cash with this free platform. It's not requiring much. Just follow this step and you get to maximize it. So there is also another platform that is also giving free VIP. So I'll be also talking about that one. So if you are ready, you can join the group as well. Then when you come there, after registration, when you come there, you can be able to receive more information on how to get a free VIP there as well. So this particular one, you also need to join their group. So this one now, let me just log into my account and show you. I have not been consistent here, but this particular one will give you free VIP. You have at least 30 referrals also. So to copy your referral link, if you have joined this, you need to click here and you must join their group. I have the group for this one, so it's a must to join their group. Then you can be able to receive free VIP if you have met the requirement. So to perform your task, you need to click on this VIP. So the offer for this one is higher, but getting VIP will require you to join their group, is a must. So you now click on this receive, because they have given you $50 experience bonus to work with. So some people can this is the VIP that you are working towards to get, and you'll be earning at least $3 every day if you are able to get this free VIP. But this particular one will require you that you must join their group and also create your own group to participate. But if you participate, you make a lot of money for free, guys. I have other platforms that I'm earning from that I didn't even make a video on this channel because of time constraint. So now if you want to perform the time or task, you need to click on receive task. Then you put the code you actually used, or you created the time you sign up to this platform. So that is how you receive. Then you receive 3 tasks every day as free VIP. So you can work as a free VIP and but that would take you long, at least up to 2 months, to get free VIP through upgrade. So that is how it is. So if you want to join in this spory.com, simply join the group. After registration, complete your task. Then when you get to the group, you can chat me up. I'll give you more details on how to get the free VIP. I will also drop the customer service Telegram link and other their general group where they carry a discussion every day. So she can be able to work towards giving free VIP to you. So it's just very simple. So it's just very simple. So that is how you make money online with this platform, guys. And for those that have been on let me just hint on this. For those that have been on CATSTAR mining, so CATSTAR will be carrying out their buyback on the 7th of this month. So if you have not been mining your CATSTAR, make sure you do that. This is where you can locate buyback, and at least you have like 10 referrals to be able to get some USDT from this buyback event. So that is just the secret. So if you have not registered, I will drop the link also for registration on this platform. So when you start, you need to be coming here every 12 hours and click on start. So you just click on start mining. It will mine for you every 12 hours. At least you click there 2 times in a day before 24-hour recycle. So you can go to this section, your profile section, if you want to get your referral link and make at least 10 to be able to sell your your CATSTAR for USDT during the buyback event. So that is how you get to maximize this one. So also I will just point out this particular mining app. I will soon be listed. This is Alpha Network. So this Alpha Network is a cryptocurrency project launched a few time ago, and in this video I will show you how you can be able to start mining this coin right now. So if you are not mining alpha token, so there is an opportunity now where you have to start mining this token for free. So what you know is to click on this this particular icon here that is showing their logo. So when you click on it, it will get to start mining like this one. So you mine every 24 hours, that is once in a day. So as you can see, I've already accumulated this token, alpha token. Now if you want to earn more, you can click here every 30 minutes to get free token also. So this is collect reward. So after this countdown, you can go ahead and claim more. So they have actually been working towards making this project to begin to manifest its goal and vision, where people can be able to make free cryptocurrencies and then profit from this project massively. So that you can connect with your wallet, but that is for those who want to buy this token, and you can read up this red white paper here to know their vision. That is how it is. This is how you can maximize this platform, guys. So don't take this for a joke. You can make out your time and start staking free airdrop token like this. So a lot of people who have not participated in airdrop might not really know the advantage of taking a bold step towards cryptocurrencies that have been launched out for airdropping. So it's always a privilege for people who do not or who cannot afford to buy this token. Peradventure the price gets to hit certain level and it's being listed on exchanges, so you can be able to start staking this now. It's a good opportunity to do that. Alright, so guys, finally, before I round up this video, I also want to show you this BONDEX network. So this cryptocurrency airdrop project also has a trustable and promising vision. So it's just a token that you can mine every day, just like the ones I've actually shown you. So this is the little I've been able to accumulate for the past few time that I joined this platform. Now, how do you work? You just need to register and get your account activated like this. So the platform is very simple, it's user friendly, and you can actually start participating now. So this is literally how we work on various platforms. So I will always recommend you join and jump in early like this, so that you can be able to accumulate a lot of free coins, where you can be able to preserve for yourself anytime that the platform decides to list this token on exchange. At least with the experience we got, a lot of people got from Bitcoin, which is now at as one of the top cryptocurrency in the market. So you can actually participate in these airdrops events and make sure you are working towards making free tokens every day. by signing in to this platform as well. So when you sign in, you will see earn here. So you see earn here where that is showing currently earning. So you click on earn and this button will start to rotate like this. It simply means that the token is dropping, so the mining section or the mining activity is ongoing currently on this platform. So that is how simple it is. You can also refer your friends and give them value by recommending this platform to them. So that is literally how you can be able to work on this BONDEX platform and other crypto airdrop events that I've already shown you how you can be able to participate on this channel. So guys, if you have gotten value from this video, make sure you join and like, get notified by turning on the notification bell, so that this kind of video would be recommended whenever I upload them on this channel. So guys, you can join those groups, and also you can join the platform where you get free spory.com VIP, and then you can ask me other questions you want to ask me and get verified, and be clarified the more, so that you can be able to have the opportunity to make money online for yourself guys. So thank you for watching. Wishing you a very nice day guys.